Step 1 in using the LumiSpa is to moisten your face. Step 2 is the cleanser. Step 3, moisten the head here. Turn it on like this. It'll start moving like this. And then all you do is you start in one section of your face. It should look like this. You don't have to press really hard, just let the machine do the work. The device will actually pause every 30 seconds. So you see, it just paused, and then that tells you that you have to move on to the next section of your face. The device will stop when the treatment is 100% complete. When done, you just take this thing off, wash it, make sure that this thing is completely dry when you put it back on the stand. Rinse your face and pat it dry with a towel. Then finish it off with recovery fluid and then the Ideal Eyes Activating Cream. And then you're all done.